Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Patreon account step by step, whether you're supporting creators or starting your own page. So let's get started. First, open the Patreon app on your phone. If you have not downloaded it yet, check out my previous video on how to install it. So once you're on the home screen, you'll have three options to sign up using your email address or your Google account, or even with your Facebook account. So for now, enter your email address and tap continue. Now fill up your name, tap continue. So you might be asked to verify your email by clicking a link sent to your inbox. For now, I'm good. Once signed in, you can set up your profile picture, display name, and explore Patreon. You can choose to follow or support your favorite creators or start your own page if you are a creator. And yes, that's it. That's how easy it is to create a Patreon account. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.